In exercise 3.2, question number 4 second, these are two equations given: x minus y equals 8 and 3x minus 3y equals 16. And here again we have to check it whether the system is consistent or inconsistent. If it is consistent, then we have to solve graphically. So now here x minus y equals 8, it can be rearranged like this: x minus y minus 8 equals 0. This is equation 1. And second equation can be rearranged in 3x minus 3y minus 16 equals 0. This is equation 2. On comparing these equations with its standard form, we have A1 is 1, B1 is minus 1, and C1 is minus 8. Coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is minus 1, and the constant term is minus 8. Similarly, A2 is 3, B2 is minus 3, and C2 is minus 16. Therefore, A1 upon A2 is 1 upon 3. B1 upon B2 is minus 1 upon minus 3, that is 1 by 3. And C1 upon C2 equals minus 8 upon minus 16, that is 1 by 2. Therefore, A1 upon A2 equals B1 upon B2, not equal to C1 upon C2. Therefore, this is the equation when the system is inconsistent. Therefore, system is inconsistent, that is, lines will be parallel lines. Let us see third equation. Third equation is x minus y equals 8 and 3x minus 3y. Third equation is 2x plus y minus 6 equals 0, and 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals 0. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Again we will compare it. On comparing these equations with their standard form of equations, we get A1 equals 2, B1 equals 1, C1 equals minus 6, A2 equals 4, B2 equals minus 2, C2 equals minus 4. Therefore, A1 upon A2 is 2 upon 4, that is 1 by 2. B1 upon B2 is again 1 by minus 2. Therefore, A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2. This implies system is consistent. System is consistent. Lines will be intersecting each other. Now we will sketch its graph. We have to sketch its graphs. So first of all, from equation 1, we have y equals 6 minus 2x. So we will make the table. This is x, this is y. Value of, we will put substitute x equals 3, then 6 minus 6, it will be 0. When we are putting x equals here 0, then it is coming how much? 6. But when we are putting x equals 1, then it is coming 4. 6 minus 2 1 ja 2, that will be 4. From equation 2, we will get 4x minus 2y equals 4. This implies 2y equals 4x minus 4. This implies y equals 4x minus 4 by 2. So we can take out 2 cancels here also, then it will be 2x minus 2. So y equals, we are getting 2x minus 2. Now we will make the table. This is x, this is y. We will substitute x equals 0, then it is coming minus 2. But for x equals 1, it is coming 2 minus 2, 0. X equals 4, then 4 x equals, we are putting 2. So 2 to the 4, 4 minus 2, it will be how much? 2 for 2. Now we will plot them. Here we can plot like this. First equation I am plotting, x is 3, then y is 0. So here one big division equals 2 units we have taken out. So this is 3, 0. But x is 0, then y is how much? 6. So 0, 6. 1, 4. X is 1, then it is coming 4. So this is 0.14. Now we can join them. This is the graph line of first equation. Second equation is x is 0, then y is minus 2, this point. And for 1 it is 0. And for 2 it is coming again 2. So we can plot them. We are getting both equations are intersecting at 2, 2. So solution is x equals 2 and y equals 2. Here we are getting on solving. And you can check it here also. X equals 2, then it is also coming 2. And x equals 2, we have got 2. So therefore, x equals 2 and y equals 2. This is the solution of this equation, third. So let us move to fourth one. In question number 4, again these two equations are. In question number 4, these two equations are 2x minus 2y minus 2 equals 0. It is equation 1. And 4x minus 4y minus 5 equals 0. This is equation 2. On comparing with its standard form. Standard form we have a1 equals 2, b1 equals minus 2, c1 equals minus 2, a2 equals 4, b2 equals minus 4, and c2 equals minus 5. Therefore, a1 upon a2 equals 2 upon 4. 2 upon 4, it is 1 by 2. b1 upon b2 equals minus 2 by minus 4, that is again 1 by 2. And c1 upon c2 equals minus 2 by minus 5, that is 2 by 5. Therefore, a1 upon a2 equals b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. Therefore, lines are parallel. Therefore, system is inconsistent. System is inconsistent. But in question number 5, this is the solution. In question number 5, it's very, very interesting one. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden, whose length is 4 meter more than the width, is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. We have to find out the dimensions of this garden. Let us see how we can do it. Let width of the rectangular garden be x meter, so its length equals x plus 4 meter. Now perimeter equals twice L plus B. This implies perimeter, half the perimeter of rectangle is 36. Perimeter equals, it will be 2. Length is x plus 4. Breadth is also x. This implies 2 times of 2x plus 4. But 1 by 2 perimeter equals, it will be twice 2x plus 4 divided by 2. This equals 2x plus 4. This implies half the perimeter is given, half the perimeter rectangular garden is given how much? 36 equals 2x plus 4. This implies 2x equals 36 minus 4. It will be 32. This implies x equals 16. Therefore, width equals 16 meter and length equals 20 meter. Then perimeter will be how much? You can verify it. Perimeter will be twice length plus breadth. That will be 72. Its half will be how much? 36. So it is correct one. But